Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get notifications on Craigslist. Keep watching the video till the end. To get notifications on Craigslist, open your Google search. Type in Craigslist and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of Craigslist account. Click on Car plus Stock option under For Sale section. On the next page, tap on Save this search. Now all you need to do is tick mark on the box that says Email Alerts to turn the notifications on. This is how you can get notifications on Craigslist quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.